So you made it back. Welcome back to Chef Homie. This is episode 2. We're getting ready for Thanksgiving, guys. That's right. As of today, it's Wednesday, November 27th. Thanksgiving is tomorrow, just in case I air this on another date. As you can see, I got something in the pot cooking. I'm not gonna give you that, not just yet. That's when you get to the advanced class, people. But what I will tell you is we're going to do cornbread. That's right. No, I'm not gonna do nothing spectacular about it. I'm not gonna add any secret ingredients. We're actually gonna do it by the book, Jiffy. Everybody loves that. And we're actually gonna go by what it says. So what's special about this? I'm gonna show you the one thing you need to do to make this the best cornbread ever. I'm gonna tell you what you need. So, if you can read, it says you need corn mix, corn muffin mix. Let me fix that. Egg, milk. Not you this time. So, get our egg. Oh, forgot. I'm doing 2. So I'm gonna need 2. And of course, your milk. But we're gonna hold that in here right now. We don't need that warming up while we get everything else going. You feel me? Let go. Let go. While we're about to get everything mixed, as the box said, per request, we set this thing to 400. Let it go. So here's the key, guy. Boom. This is what we're gonna do. Now while that's heating up, we're gonna take our butter. Oh shoot. Guys, always make sure you set this in your stove before you start heating it up. Well, I'm gonna put this. Okay. Babe, I'm on the air. Y'all heard her? She be listening. Alright, now we're gonna let that melt. Yeah, let's watch Tanisha make her salad.
I don't know why he recorded me.
They ain't gonna hear that. They're gonna hear the music. Alright, so now it's time to mix everything. Now with the eggs, you kind of want to scramble them before you mix them. So that's what we're gonna do. Woo. Oh yeah. Honey, can you get the milk?
I can.
May you?
I'm sure I may.
Oh, one that's not sour. Okay, that's fine. Let's turn this up. Boom. Oh, splash. Remember, 2. 2 is the magic number. The key is matching. 2 boxes, 2 eggs, and 2 butters. I might need some more milk. Boom. Oh, y'all hear that? Our butter about to be real. Now usually I wait to add the eggs after I do the butter, but because I want to show y'all everything in order, we're just gonna do it this way. Here's my trusty assistant with some more milk. Y'all, she's supporting me this time. You know, she left out when I said the teriyaki noodles. I'm about talking to you no more. Make sure your mix now is nice and smooth. It doesn't have to be, you still see those chunks, it's cool. That's where the butter comes in. Let's check on it. Now that we've mixed everything, let's see that butter. Boom. You see how not only is it melted, you see that brown, how it's burnt on the side? That's what we're looking for. That burnt, I know it sounds weird, but that brown that is coming from it being burnt, or browning of the butter, I really need to do better with words. That is what makes the difference in the taste that turns this Jiffy cornbread from regular box bread to the best cornbread ever. I'm actually gonna let it sit in here for about another minute. This time for real. Oh yeah. That butter flying too. Alright, so see we have a lot of butter. Don't have that much room in the bowl. What you're gonna do, take this butter and pour a little bit of it into this. Now you're gonna stir that. See how it's getting a lot softer and creamier? And now you pour it back into the mix. You can actually keep stirring. Try your best to blend all of it together because it's a lot of butter. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Then you're seeing those streaks like that. But don't that look pretty? And now, putting this back in. I think it's time. Woo. I don't know about you, but that smoke just on the glasses. Look at that, baby. Ooh, child. Cornbread can't be made any better. You saw it here first, ladies and gentlemen. The secret to the best cornbread ever. And before anyone says anything about it being too much butter on it, mind you, I want you to remember all those times you go to those restaurants and be craving those buttery biscuits. You be ready to eat buttery biscuits. So don't come at me with my cornbread saying, he got too much butter. What about the cholesterol and all this stuff? Look at yourself first. Look at yourself. So this is Chef Homie. And again, get ready for some good old mouth action tomorrow or Thanksgiving because, like I said, I might not post this until afterwards. But I got some more stuff to cook, y'all. That's all y'all getting from me today, though. Be easy. Chef Homie was not made in front of a live studio audience. Remember, if you do have high cholesterol, high blood pressure, or any other problems that might concern having too much butter, please do not do so.
Chef Homie.